Thank you for being here today. My name is Bill Hanley. I work directly for Global Glove and Safety Manufacturing. I'd like to go ahead and get started here. With today's agenda, we are going to talk about disposable nitrile gloves. Okay, so the first SKU we have is our 705 PF. This is a 5mm disposable nitrile glove. It's Winzer part number 8675004 through 5007. This is a 5mm disposable nitrile glove, powder-free, and the one thing that separates us from other people is our glove is a low modulus formulated glove, which gives you the stretch and the comfort. So when I stretch this glove out, okay, it gives me a really good stretch, and it conforms back to the hand. So that's very comfortable all day long. It also, stretches out really good, doesn't break. Very good, quality glove there. So it gives you more chemical resistance, a longer lasting glove. Just one thing about this glove too is it's also preferred for fentanyl. So if you got anybody use it for fentanyl, this is a fentanyl approved glove. It's also a medically approved glove. So when it comes to medical examination, you can sell this glove. It's a good quality glove into the industrial market. You can always sell medical into industrial. You just can't sell industrial into the medical field. Okay, so keep that in mind. But this glove here, when it comes to medical grade, it's basically an AQL rating. AQL is acceptance quality limit. For every case on a medical grade glove, a 2.5% is acceptable, okay? So for every case, 2.5 gloves can be bad and be acceptable, okay? In industrial grade, you're looking at a 4.0, 4.5. So being a medical grade, you're gonna have a really high quality glove into your market, okay? So the next one I have is a 705 BPF. It's your Winzer part number 8675008 through 5011. This is the industrial grade of the blue one, okay? This is being used, it's a 5mm disposable nitrile, and this is going to be good for, your industrial applications, handling oil, handling grease, your auto mechanics, okay? But again, it still has the stretch to it. It has a low modulus formulation, which gives that good stretch, but it is industrial grade. The next one we have is our 3.5mm black. Now this one here, if you got a price point, this is going to be your most competitive glove that we have when dealing with a low end as far as disposable nitrile, okay? This is going to be your part number 867-5000 through 5003. This is called a 705 PFE for economy. It's a 3.5mm. Us as a Global Glove, we do not manufacture a 4mm glove. We have a 5mm or a 3.5. The 3.5mm, again, is industrial grade. It's not the medical grades. This is the industrial grade. And again, it has a good stretch, very comfortable fit, but the price point is very, very competitive on this glove here. This is my 6mm black nitrile. It's Winzer part number 8675012 through 5014. 6mm black nitrile, my part number 908BPF black powder free. Now the 6mm heavier glove, and the thing about this glove here, industrial grade, but it's got textured fingertips, so really good grip. If you want a good texture, this has got the tractor tread grip. So I can grab the part, grab the oil, very good grip on that, and very strong glove to where it doesn't break. So applications, auto mechanics, plant maintenance people, janitorial, anything that's highly chemical resistant, the 6mm is going to be a better choice. This is the 945 PF, my part number, and this is for the green initiative companies who are wanting a biodegradable glove. You get a lot of companies who practice green initiatives, and this is one of the few gloves on the market right now is the Global Glove 945 PF. This is a 6mm biodegradable. It's industrial grade and powder free, but very good texture grip on the palm, but excellent glove for, again, comfort, chemical resistance, and companies who are practicing the green initiatives. The next one we have is my orange nitrile. This is Winzer part number 8675020 through 5023. My part number 905PF. This is a 7 mil orange nitrile. This would be good for anywhere where people need a little more high visibility, a little more safety awareness. I sell a lot of these into the construction industry, any kind of like plant, industrial plants, where they need to see the person wearing the glove. You can't miss this color, okay? This is a really good glove. It's got the tractor tread grip on it. So again, more safety awareness with the orange high-vis color. The last one we have is a very unique glove in the market. This is the 800F, which stands for flock line. It's a Winzer part number 8675024-5027. This is an 8 mil nitrile glove with a flock lining. Now, the advantage of the flock lining is to help you absorb the perspiration when you sweat. This flock lining helps you get your glove on, and it also is excellent for a maintenance guy who's working all day long, because it's going to be chemical resistant and he's not going to sweat really bad in this glove. Not too many people manufacture a glove like this here. We're one of the few people that manufacture a flock lining disposable nitrile glove. This is going to be a glove that you're going to want to use over and over again. It can last all day. So be aware that if you are selling to the auto industry, introduce this 800F. They'll really like this glove. It's got a really nice stretch to it, but very easy to get on. And being 8 mil, it's going to be very strong against chemicals, grease, oil, any kind of transmission fluid. This is an excellent glove to show. That's all I have. If there's any questions at all, by all means, reach out to me or Jed Morse of Corporate Plano, and we can definitely help you out. I appreciate your time. Excellent question. So I've just been asked what separates Global Glove from other competitors in the disposable nitrile market. Basically, my company is going to bring you more value because of the fact that my glove is going to last longer, it's going to be stronger, it's going to give you more comfort. You're not going to go through as many pairs as you are on the competitor's glove. So if a guy's going through 7, 8 pairs a day on an economy disposable nitrile, you may get my glove to last a whole day, whole shift, and that's going to save a lot of money right there by just using my glove one time. Okay, I was just asked a good question of what markets Global Gloves disposable nitrile are, the best in. Well, it all depends on the application. Okay, so if I'm a mechanic, I would recommend not going anything lighter than a 6 mil because I'm going to be handling parts and oil and grease. So really, I want to go with a 6 to an 8 mil disposable nitrile when I'm dealing with that type of industry. When I'm dealing with like healthcare or tattoo artists or janitorial, okay, I can get away with the 5 mil now, okay, because now this is going to be sufficient enough for that type of application. So it all depends on the application, and believe me, you will know when you go to the plant or the application, you'll know more understanding when you see the person using the glove, and you can help them a lot better by seeing it. Okay, so I'll just ask a question of what markets that we feel that we're not doing really well in that we may go after that maybe we haven't done already. So one would be the agricultural market. It's a huge market for disposable nitrile because you're dealing with produce, and when you're touching that produce, they love to use disposable nitrile. The other part is dairies. When you go to a dairy farm, handling the milk and the cattle, that's a huge industry in the veterinary industry. Any kind of pet handling, pets clinics, okay, handling the animals. Again, a large use of disposable nitrile when they're handling the pets. But look for those industries. They use a lot of 5 mil gloves because they're going through them so fast that they want to use a glove that they can be very good for comfort, dexterity, and that's really what we want to attack. I was just asked a question of what some of the things that Global Gloves is doing to stay ahead of the market and trends, anything new, etc. Okay, so that's why we bring stuff like the biodegradable nitrile glove. We're one of the first ones to do this. Okay, and this helps us to be unique into the market. Being biodegradable, having that tractor tread grip, that's going to help you to get moisture off the glove, and it's very unique gripping surface. Okay, so that's some of the things we do. The other thing that we have done is we brought you the flock lining on the disposable nitrile. This is something that's very unique to the market, where the guy's going to have a very comfortable glove. It's going to absorb the perspiration. He's going to have excellent grip as well. But that's the kind of stuff that we're doing to be a leader in the industry. It's to make stuff that no one else has, very unique to the market, and that's what Global Glove does.